Fresh chicken marinated in yogurt with fragrant spices and then slow roasted in an open skillet. Cooking chicken does not always need to be an elaborate affair with tons of spices and hours of cooking. Sometimes a few ingredients and a simple cooking process is all you need to create a delicious and soulful dish. Chicken Bhuna Masala is one such recipe. Without much further ado, join me in my kitchen and let's get gobbledygooking. Red chilies and garlic are really the soul of this dish. So as a first step, I have some water here which I have heated, and I'll be soaking some red chilies in it. I have two types of chilies here. These are big Kashmiri chilies which I'm adding for their color, but these do not really add any heat. This is optional. If you don't have it, you can add Kashmiri red chili powder later on in the dish. And then I have some dried red chilies here. I'm adding about 7 to 8 of these since they are small, but you can adjust according to the desired level of heat. We need to soak these in hot water for at least 30 minutes, and this is what they look like after soaking. The chilies have absorbed some water and plumped up. Next, we will make a masala or spice paste for the chicken. We need to grind together 8 pieces of green cardamom, 10 pieces of clove, and 2 whole pieces of cinnamon. We'll grind this to a fine powder. To this, we need to add cloves of 1 full garlic weighing about 45 grams, the soaked chilies, and around 4 tablespoons of the chili water. Grind everything to a smooth paste. You can see that the Kashmiri red chilies have added a fierce red color to the masala. We'll move on to making a marinade for the chicken. Take about 250 grams of well-beaten yogurt and add the masala paste. Mix well. Then we'll add this to the chicken. I have taken a full fresh chicken with bones weighing about a kilogram. Add some salt to taste. Mix well. Cover and let rest in the fridge for at least an hour. Once the chicken is rested, heat 5 tablespoons of mustard oil in a skillet. Mustard oil is really key to the dish and it won't taste as good with any other oil. Once the oil is smoking hot and turns pale yellow in color, gently place the chicken pieces after shaking off any excess marinade. We will use the marinade later. Try to place the chicken pieces in a single layer and do not crowd the pan. Keep the heat on medium-high. Cook for 3 minutes on one side, just enough to sear the chicken, and then flip the pieces over. Cook for another 3 minutes. If you want to use Kashmiri red chili powder, now is the time to add 1 teaspoon of it. Lower the heat to medium-low and keep flipping the chicken pieces after cooking for a minute at a time until all the moisture evaporates. This process of drying out the moisture is referred to as bhuna fry, which is the soul of this recipe. So do not rush this step. Once the moisture has evaporated, add the rest of the marinade. Double cooking the chicken in this way is what adds a burst of flavor to the dish. Keeping the heat on medium-low, we will follow the same process of slow cooking the chicken until all the moisture evaporates again. Keep cooking until the oil separates and oozes out. Check on the chicken to see if it is done. If not, you can add a little bit of hot water and cook till the chicken is tender. It took us a total of 30 minutes to cook the chicken since the time we added it to the pan. This is a dry dish, but if you want a bit of a gravy, add about half a cup of hot water. Once the chicken is cooked, garnish with some chopped coriander leaves. Serve with roti, chapati or thepla and enjoy. And do subscribe to our channel for more such delicious recipes.